Yeah, we've been continuing to see this cloud coverage really starting to build this morning, leading into the afternoon. We may get a bit more sunshine as the afternoon goes on. But as far as rainfall, we're not going to get very much, and that's good news because we have to save it all for Friday and for Saturday. The little rainfall we do have mostly within Williamson County at this point, from Hutto, getting to about Round Rock, Georgetown, Leander, where they're seeing little pockets of showers that have picked up within the area, pretty close to the radar. So this gets a good view of what's happening within this one spot. But let's play this out throughout the rest of the day today, shall we? Because I know you at home are probably wondering, okay, well, how is this going to affect me as we go through today? Well, today's going to be much calmer, but tomorrow morning we expect for some of these showers to pick up one more time. Look at this. By 3 p.m. on Friday, I expect to see a little bit of heavier rainfall starting to build up. We have a front that's going to start getting closer to us, that's going to stall out just north of us, and that's going to give us the chance of seeing some of these showers, some of these thunderstorms to pick up, especially late on Friday, which could happen later on in the evening hour. Notice where it's at. Most of the models have been pretty consistent that it's going to remain in the northern part of our viewing area, starting to lead into eastern county. So the amount of rainfall that we all could receive over the next couple of days, about an inch, maybe up to about 2 inches of rainfall. But if you get a pocket of heavy showers like what we saw in Llano yesterday that just decides it wants to sit there, then you could get much more rainfall as well. So I mentioned earlier that we do have an update to our severe risk for Friday. We are now all within that category 1 or marginal category, or category 1 out of 5 essentially, for severe risk. And you're saying, okay, well, what does that mean for me now? Well, we've seen tornadoes starting to the area where we could see the possibility of tornadoes being adjusted more for northern Williamson County, or excuse me, all of Williamson County, just a portion of Travis County, most of Burnett County, and then out towards Lee County as well. Hail hasn't adjusted. That's still within the low category 2, but these black lines mean that there's a chance that we could get egg size or larger within the area. And then winds, we're looking at 58 miles per hour plus, and notice that that's also been adjusted. We had elevated earlier in certain spots of it, but that's also been updated now to just remain within that low category. So if a severe thunderstorm warning is issued in your neighborhood, like we saw yesterday for the first time this year, stay indoors, away from windows, and avoid electrical appliances in your area. What about Saturday? Because we've been kind of teasing that some of these showers and thunderstorms could build up and continue through Saturday. Well, the severe risk for Saturday itself, category 2 or slight category, I-35 and to the east. Everyone else within that category 1 out of 5. I'll zoom out a bit more to show you how it just kind of all encompasses all of the coastline of Texas as well. So this is what this looks like. I'll start the clock here on Saturday at 12 o'clock. Notice our first rounds of showers and storms could actually continue throughout most of the day. And this is why I say Friday, Saturday, we all have a better chance of seeing some of that rainfall. And then Saturday overnight heading into Sunday, we could get more thunderstorms that could build up as well. So something to keep an eye on, and of course stay weather aware. Here's your 7-day forecast one more time. 80s over the next couple of days, 70s as we get into the weekend, with thunderstorms continuing through the beginning of next week. All right, keep it here. We have more coming up after the break.